Introducing the 2021 Mathews Atlas, the ultimate hunting platform for long draw archers. Coming in at 34 3/4 inches axle to axle, the Atlas is built around a long, stable riser and a forgiving 7 3/4 inch brace height, while accommodating draw lengths up to 34 inches. The Atlas utilizes our industry-leading 3D damping technology with the Enhanced Harmonic Stabilizer Plus to drastically diminish post-shot noise and vibration. Featuring our award-winning cross-centric cams paired with innovative switch weight technology, the Atlas delivers speeds up to 350 feet per second at peak draw and can be adjusted for both draw length and draw weight with the simple change of a mod. Our new center guard cable containment system equalizes the angle of the cables during the draw cycle to provide optimal cam timing and increased vane clearance. Our AVS technology vectors forces to maintain cam synchronization, maximize energy, and increase efficiency, while our proven Zero-T axle system allows precise cam adjustment for ultimate tunability and downrange consistency, shot after shot. Featuring wide, torsionally rigid limbs and our bridged riser design, the Atlas is built to be rugged and reliable while providing ultimate stability at full draw. The Atlas is built compatible with the Silent Connect system, allowing the use of our Mathews Genuine bow rope and sling. The Integrate MX Ultra Rest fastens securely to our machined dovetail mounting system and allows for micro adjustability and a rugged, streamlined housing. The Atlas is available in 8 finish options, including the new Spectre pattern from First Light and All-Season Forest from Under Armour. Experience the 2021 Atlas at your local.
Introducing the all-new 2014 Attitude from Bear Archery. It features a 31-inch axle-to-axle, 7 1/4 inch brace height, and it shoots right at 310 feet per second. All new for 2014 is the Bear EZ3 cam system. This cam system features a rotating module for draw length adjustments from 25 inches to 32 inches in half-inch increments. The Attitude features Bear flared limbs seated in high-precision limb pockets, offset string suppressor for noise and vibration reduction, aluminum alloy riser with an advanced grip design to eliminate hand torque, standard cable slide. The Attitude is also available in a ready-to-hunt package that includes everything needed to set up quickly and head to the woods as soon as possible. The Attitude is exclusively available in the Realtree APG with the shadow limbs. From everyone at Bear Archery, thank you for your interest in the 2014 Attitude.
There are other carbon bows on the market, but there's only one lightest, most accurate carbon bow ever built, the all-new Carbon Zion. At just 3.3 pounds, it's a marvel of modern engineering, weighing less than every competing carbon riser platform out there, so you can cover ground, maneuver in the tree, and make it happen anywhere with unmatched speed and efficiency. Along with a new torque-eliminating grip, it's driven by our synchronized binary cams, widely regarded as one of the most accurate cam systems in the world, delivering easy tuning, perfectly flat knock travel and knock splitting consistency. Also featuring power shift technology, so you can customize draw cycle for maximum comfort or performance to match your shooting style. For those who want top-tier accessories out of the box, enter the Carbon Zion DLX, featuring a ripcord arrow rest, black gold sight, octane stabilizer, and a tight spot 5-arrow quiver. Experience just how lightweight and accurate a bow can be with the new Carbon Zion and Carbon Zion DLX, only by BowTech.
This killer-looking bow is the only choice for youth to adult, as well as beginners and advanced shooters, all at a price that doesn't break the bank. The strategically engineered caged riser and quad limb design creates unwavering stability, forgiveness, and consistent accuracy that no other bow at this price can provide. A 50-pound draw weight adjustment range allows a personalized fit to match any type of shooting. From the backyard to the field, the Edge XT can meet the challenge. For ease of adjustability, it features rotating modules. With a simple Allen wrench, quickly and easily set the draw length anywhere from 19 inches to 31 inches without the use of a bow press. This eliminates the need for separate modules or cams to get the perfect fit and comfort. To get you in the field fast, the Edge XT is accessorized and ready to go. The full kit includes the Furnace 4-arrow quiver, Boost 5-inch stabilizer, and full capture brush-style rest from Octane Archery. Additionally, it comes with a 3-pin sight, diamond wrist strap, and 3-strand peep sight. Just add arrows and a release, then you're ready to hit the field, range, or wherever the adventure leads. The Edge XT.
The 2022 PSE OMEN is more than a bow. It's a harbinger of great things to come. Achieving a new benchmark in energy transfer and efficiency, the 2022 PSE OMEN shoots at blazing speeds of up to 356 feet per second, all while reducing the amount of energy needed from the shooter during the draw cycle. This is a speed bow that almost anyone can shoot, maximizing potential speeds at every draw weight and length, and delivering unparalleled performance at full draw. Full draw. This is where everything matters. It's a difference between success and failure. That's why the 2022 PSE OMEN has been built on PSE's full draw stability technology, providing the most stable shooting experience in archery thanks to its dynamic brace height. The full draw stability system is designed to actively resist induced torque, resulting in increased accuracy when it matters most. One shot and you will feel the difference. Engineered for peak performance with PSE's wider and more robust E2 and S2 cams, the 2022 OMEN maximizes energy efficiency and stability throughout each and every design component. This is the most stable, consistent, and solid shooting experience you'll ever get from a speed bow. Based on shooter feedback, PSE has upgraded the new OMEN riser to include machine mounting holes for the new Hamskea Epsilon rest, in addition to traditional mounting options and a dovetail system for the QAD Integrate rest. Shooting the 2022 PSE OMEN with full draw stability technology is an experience in speed, stability, and precision that is second to none. One shot and you'll feel the difference. Try one today at your locally authorized PSE dealer.